Mia will come. I kept the blue wheels. That one has lights. Stay close.
Mia, over here.
Mia.
I saved your wheels. Mia is with me.
We already signed up.
Vanessa has the full kit. But we made the plan. That thing is not a robot.
It was our team.
Okay. I don't know if I can fix you, Rusty.
Great.
It is not finished.
That robot looks so tired.
The contest is today.
It's gonna be okay, Clara. These still roll.
Straight is boring.
That does not make sense.
Good. Robots like that.
There is so much.
This can work.
Small pieces.
Small.
Huh. This one fits.
Okay, Rusty. We start.
Stay there. You heard me.
No hitting. Not straight.
Could be useful.
All right, first test. Hi, Rusty. Ready. Go.
No flying yet. You okay?
Slower this time. That is a circle.
Wait. Again. Watch this.
Easy.
She is still trying. Let her. Novabot is perfect! Clara made this.
Builders, today is not about price.
We have this. She came back. Stay with me.
Did you build this yourself?
Yes.
Team Vanessa and Mia.
Novabot, begin! It is perfect.
Easy.
is working.
Of course it is. Move left. It's stuck. It's stuck. No, it's not like that. 10 seconds. Do not smile. Clara, you are up.
Come on, Rusty.
You are next.
Ready. It is tiny. Go! You can do it! Not that way. Slow curve. It turned! Easy. Wait, it's working! Hold it. Wow, look at that! Use the spring arm.
Right wheel twice.
It did it!
The winner is Clara.
I was wrong. I crossed out your name. You held the pen. This one. That one.
No fancy boxes.
Can I help next time? Tomorrow, maybe? Come on, Rusty. We did okay.